start by doing round 1 magic ring, chain, then do 6 single crochet inside the ring. Once you have 6 single crochet around, pull make a gap on the middle and in the center here, then do round 2, do a increase including the tail. Okay, you can mark or you can count the number. So I will just insert this stitch marker. Okay, for beginner, increase meaning you have to place two stitches in one chain, or 2 single crochet in one chain. In total, you will have 12 single crochet stitches around. Okay. Then cut this tail and then increase. So now we have 12 stitches around. Then for round 3 to 7, you will just need to repeat single crochet in each of the chain for 5 rounds. Okay, so you will just need to repeat. You will add 5 rounds. This is what look like on the edge of the stem. Okay, repeat 5 rounds of 12 stitches, and then this is what it look like after. Then we will start, remove the stitch marker, make a single crochet, then chain 14. After chain 14, slip stitch in the second chain from the hook at the back, chain 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. Then slip stitch in the next 2 chain here. Slip stitch 1, slip stitch 2. And then start chain of 8. And slip stitch second chain from the hook at the back, chain 7, slip stitch 7, and then slip stitch in the next 2. Okay, you just need to repeat alternately a chain of 14 and chain of 8. And this is what it looked like after, once you have 6 in total. Then slip stitch in the next 2, 1, 2, and then now we will start with the first leaf. Make a double crochet in the next 6 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then half double crochet in the following 6 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then single crochet in the last. Then do the same on the other side of the here, single crochet and half double crochet in the following 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then double crochet in the next 6 chains. Then slip stitch in the next 2. 1, 2. Then in the leaf number 2, leaf number 2, double crochet in the next 4 chains. 1, 2, 3. Okay, make sure you will have these 2 loops on that under there. Then half double crochet 2, and then single crochet. Then do the same thing on the other side. Double crochet, then 4 double crochet in the following. Then slip stitch in the next 2. Just repeat alternately. Okay, so this is what it looked like. Then at the end, slip stitch in the next 2. 1, 2, and then cut the yarn. Then we can flip. Okay, we will use the back side like that. We use like this, and then hide this extra tail right here. And then you can cut the tail.